I decided to bring you some turf tips for the day. If you look in this lawn, you'll start seeing these little mushrooms here. And there's more mushrooms. As you walk past this way, you see some more mushrooms growing in here. It's not a problem at all. Actually, it's a sign that your lawn has great soil and there's good fertility in your lawn. So that means your lawn is at a great position. This is going to go away overnight as the humidity actually drops and the temperature starts to rise. You will notice that the mushrooms in your lawn are going away. Another sign that you may have mushrooms is if you have an old tree. That tree has started to decompose and the mushrooms are growing on that decomposing wood. But in this case, there was no tree here. This is not from a tree. This just happens to be mushroom spores that are in the lawn. We have the perfect humidity and temperature right now for these mushrooms to expose themselves. That's it for turf tips, and we'll see you in the next one.